Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Snell Vision. We're out here at Freeman Lake again, trying to figure out the fish's pattern out here because people say there's not that much fish out here, but I've proved otherwise one way or another. Before I got into this YouTube world, I've caught quite a few out here and pretty much just have pictures of them. Never got to video or film or anything, but now that I'm actually out here filming, I'm trying to figure out the patterns out here, so I've been coming out here weekly. Literally hitting different spots, different back creeks. Every time I come out here, I'll hit the same spot and notice that they're with the same lures and baits and try different things. But we're gonna figure out these patterns of these fish out here so that I can actually say that I can tell you where to come and go at any moment in time. So other than that, let's get back to it and figure this out. All right, thank y'all for coming along today. I'm gonna get out of this clearing. I know where there's a rock pile at. So we're gonna go head towards there, and hopefully they're hanging out there this time. So we've already hit the back creeks, and we've already hit the little pockets along the trails and out in this back area back here. So with that being done, they're not back here today. It's pretty early in the morning, so we're gonna try to figure something else out. Maybe they'll head back here towards the evening. We'll see. We should be out here by that time. All right, let's go on up here and try to figure this out today. We're good to go, guys. Okay, let's see what we got here today, guys. That's what we caught today. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Got a 2.5 pounder. Nice, good boy. Alright, get you back in the water, bud. Thank you. Oh. 2.1 pounds. Not bad for a start. First one of the video. Took us an hour. Not bad. But we got them on the rage crawl. Yeah. Heck yeah. Good start, good start. Now my hands are cold. It's still chilly out here. That's not a good combination. So, but got what we came for. 2.5 pounds or 2.1 pounds. It's still on the Helgamite. I don't know if many of y'all know what I'm talking about, but that's just these little guys. That's all it is. And also went out and purchased a blue speed stick reactor. It's got a 6:2-to-1 reel. I put up a short video of my wife seeing me in the backyard tossing it around, just trying to dial it in. But very nice rod and reel combo. $74, $76, something like that at Walmart. It's got a carbon fiber knob right here, split handle sensitivity rod, and black and green. Anyways, let me tie this on. gonna finish out today and head to the house. Got some personal things we need to do. And just want to thank each and every one of y'all for coming out and joining me and watching me today. We actually got us like 2.1 pound today. It's pretty good for this lake, even though last week or week before last, whatever. Anyways, last video before. Anyways, even though the other week was, I'm sure he was a good 3 or 4 pounder, or she was. So, well, that ends today. I appreciate y'all for coming out and joining me. Click like, subscribe, and see you next time on Snell Vision. See you guys.